Hey everyone, welcome back to Automotive Widgets, your go-to channel for the best car parts, upgrades, and honest Amazon reviews. If you drive a Toyota Tacoma, today's video is for you. We're testing and reviewing the top 5 best exhaust systems to boost your truck's sound, performance, and style. From BORLA's deep rumble to Flowmaster's off-road roar, we'll help you find the perfect fit for your build and budget. So hit that like button, subscribe, and let's fire it up. Number 5. FlowFX Extreme High Clearance Catback Exhaust. For serious off-roaders and enthusiasts who want maximum ground clearance without sacrificing sound or performance, the Flowmaster 717970 FlowFX Extreme High Clearance Catback Exhaust is built to impress. Engineered for 2016-2023 Toyota Tacoma 3.5-liter V6 models, this system combines rugged durability with Flowmaster's signature tone. The 3-inch 409 stainless steel tubing ensures excellent strength and rust resistance, while the high-clearance routing tucks the exhaust neatly above the frame for safer off-road adventures. The straight-through muffler produces a deep, aggressive growl that wakes up the V6 while minimizing interior drone. Drivers often note improved throttle response and reduced back pressure, translating to better torque delivery on steep climbs or highway accelerations. This exhaust is also lighter than stock, contributing to subtle performance and fuel efficiency benefits. With an easy bolt-on installation and all mounting hardware included, the 717970 is one of the most trail-ready and stylish upgrades for modern Tacoma models. Number 4. Flowmaster FlowFX Catback Exhaust. For Tacoma owners with 2005-2015 models, the Flowmaster 717876 FlowFX Catback Exhaust Kit offers an ideal balance of muscle car tone and street-ready performance. Built from 409 stainless steel with dual 2.5-inch tailpipes and large 4.5-inch black ceramic tips, this system delivers a mean, aggressive tone that's still livable for everyday driving. The straight-through muffler design improves exhaust flow and reduces back pressure, which can enhance horsepower and throttle response, especially noticeable during acceleration or towing. Owners praise how this kit completely changes the truck's presence. A low, rumbling growl when you step on it, quiet at cruising speeds. Its mandrel bent tubing ensures consistent flow, while the black-coated tips resist corrosion and maintain a premium appearance. Installation is relatively simple with a bolt-on design and includes all necessary hardware. It's a fantastic option for Tacoma drivers who want performance and attitude without extreme cabin drone. Number 3. MagnaFlow SPEQ System. If you're searching for a refined blend of performance and comfort for your Toyota Tacoma, the MagnaFlow 19681 SPEQ Series Catback Exhaust stands out as a premium yet balanced upgrade. Designed with a mandrel bent pipe and dual-welded 3/2-inch black-coated tips behind the driver's side exit, this system offers both visual appeal and acoustic refinement. In use, many owners appreciate how it delivers a moderate exterior and mild interior tone, meaning you'll get a satisfyingly throaty growl on the trail or highway without intrusive cabin drone during longer drives. The direct-fit design, informed by 3D scanning and CNC fabrication, helps make installation smoother for DIY or pro installs. Users in forums report that the system even feels lighter than stock, contributing to a subtly more agile driving feel. That said, this system is positioned at a higher price point and is designed for those who value premium materials and comfort over maximum loudly aggressive tone. If aggressive sound is your only aim, there might be louder options, but for balanced daily enthusiast use, this is a top contender. Number 2. Rough Country Dual Catback Exhaust. For Tacoma owners who want a bold exhaust note and aggressive styling without breaking the bank, the Rough Country Dual Catback Exhaust is an excellent mid-range choice. Designed for 2016-2023 Toyota Tacoma 3.5-liter models, this exhaust system provides a dual exit design that enhances both appearance and airflow. The black powder-coated tips give a rugged, stealthy finish that matches the Tacoma's off-road DNA perfectly. Built from 409 stainless steel, it delivers solid corrosion resistance and longevity. The installation is straightforward, requiring minimal cutting or welding, making it ideal for DIY enthusiasts. In terms of performance, users report improved throttle response and a deep, growling exhaust tone, noticeable but not overpowering in daily drives. Rough Country's engineering balances performance gains with comfort, ensuring no harsh drone inside the cabin. It's an affordable, stylish, and practical exhaust upgrade for anyone seeking a balance between tone, power, and value. Number 1. BORLA Catback Performance Exhaust. If you're looking for deep, aggressive sound and premium build quality for your Toyota Tacoma, the BORLA 14068BC Catback Exhaust is a powerhouse upgrade. Crafted from T304 stainless steel, this exhaust delivers exceptional durability against rust and heat, perfect for off-road or daily driving conditions. The black chrome finish adds a stealthy, modern appeal that complements Tacoma's rugged style. Performance-wise, BORLA's signature S-type muffler enhances throttle response and gives your Tacoma that iconic growl without excessive cabin drone. It fits 2016-2023 Tacoma 3.5-liter V6 models and offers noticeable gains in exhaust flow and mid-range torque. Many users praise the precise fitment and premium sound quality that elevates both street and trail driving experiences. All right, that wraps up our review of the top 5 exhaust systems for Toyota Tacoma. Whether you want a stealthy BORLA growl or the aggressive Flowmaster roar, every system here delivers serious performance. Check out the Amazon links in the description below to grab yours. They help support our channel at no extra cost. If you found this video helpful, smash that like, drop a comment with your favorite exhaust sound, and subscribe for more weekly reviews from Automotive Widgets. Until next time, stay loud, stay powerful, and keep your ride legendary.